state health agency DHEC provided its usual COVID-19 update, as well as how it handled the decline in demand for vaccinations. So the assistant state epidemiologist Jane Kelly says that we have more vaccine than before and discussed the supply exceeding demand today. She says because manufacturers continue to produce more and more vaccines, she's no longer worried that there will be a shortage for us right now. Now, because of that, the state may no longer need to order the maximum number of allocated doses of the Pfizer or the Moderna shot, especially if providers don't need them.
We don't want them sitting and in freezer situations where they might expire, because that would be unused vaccine, and that's no good. Better, it should go to places that can utilize them right away, because we're not worried that there's no more vaccine coming. There's plenty more vaccine coming.
All right, well, Kelly went on to say that the state would order all of the allocated supply of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine because it's a one-and-done shot, and that makes it easier to store. So here is the latest updated COVID-19 cases in South Carolina today. DHEC says there was 397 new cases of the virus in our state, along with 11 virus-related deaths. The percent positive rate is just about the same as yesterday at 5.5%.
Today, the CDC director talked about summer camps and how to keep your kids safe if they'll be attending. Dr. Rochelle Walensky noted the first choice is to get kids ages 12 to 15 vaccinated. If authorized, then masks could be off outside. The agency also explained what it wants to avoid this summer.
We also have guidance, the camp guidance and the outdoor guidance for individuals who are unvaccinated, so those who are 12 and under who are attending camp. And we have some availability of not wearing your mask outdoors in small groups, in groups with other children who are vaccinated. What we're really trying to avoid in this camp guidance is what we saw in outbreaks in camps last summer.
Walensky also explained CDC guidance for spread out activities, small groups outside. She says it does not allow for kids to be unvaccinated and participate. New option for walk-in vaccines. Walk-in vaccine appointments, I should say. Walmart and Sam's Club joined the list of places where customers can walk in and get a shot. The company said its pharmacy locations across the country will now start accepting walk-up COVID-19 vaccine appointments. The company's head of health and wellness said widespread vaccination is the only way to end the pandemic. It's a new incentive for people to get the COVID vaccine at Target. Starting this week, the company will give anyone who gets vaccinated at CVS pharmacies inside Target stores a $5 coupon. Target says it will make the offer to the general public and its employees as part of its support of vaccination efforts.